Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 10.1-inch IPS touchscreen special for Kia, Carnival, Sedona. Okay, you can check this harness will CAN-bus decoder box and come with head unit. This CAN-bus decoder box and this harness connector, plug and play. Okay, it supports 4G and this home button, spec up button, this volume controls. You also can control volume by steering wheel controls. You can choose logo and all apps here. You can check this auto link, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And the built-in Play Store, you can download the applications from it. It's built in the Google Maps. Okay. And Belsee is the manufacturer of Android car head units. Telephone number and email address, you can contact us. And you can choose logo, theme editor, adjust the color, any color you can adjust this panel. Okay, and please long click, you can set the app. When you click it will show the Bluetooth and internet. Let me check settings. It's Android 11 system. Okay. And built-in the Wi-Fi, connect Wi-Fi, and there two SIM card slots. There built-in the SIM card slot with SIM card cable and display there SIM style. There has a total 8 SIM style and display. But device, you can check Android 11 and 8 GB, ROM 128 GB, password. This factory setup. A brake you can set the 0. And you can change the boot logo. Okay, this steering wheel controls. Storage you can check total 128 GB and memory 8 GB. Okay, you also can change the, let me show the Bluetooth. Please enable Bluetooth from your phone. This Bluetooth. Click search. Your phone will get message. Please allow pair. Okay, you can make phone call. Okay, it work with Bluetooth phone call. You can streaming music. Stream music from your phone by Bluetooth. Okay. This Bluetooth. And you can change its home screen with default launcher. Also, you can change the theme style in the settings. So we will display the home screen, and the theme style you can change in the settings. Let me try. There are total 8 theme style. You can choose one of it. And the launcher, you can set the default launcher. This radio. And set it always on or not. This DSP amplifier. Sub out. Sound, bass, balance, delay. Okay. It's auto link for wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And this is Belsee.com, our website. If you have any more questions, just visit our website to contact us. Okay. And you can try. You need to sign in the Play, download app, you can watch it. You can download the app to watch the video. Okay. It's built in the Google Maps. Okay, if you have any more questions, please contact us. visit our website, contact us. Okay, that's all. Thank you.